Top 5 Fastest Drones in World. Number 1. DJI FPV. DJI FPV Combo, Goggles V2, First-Person View, Drone UAV Quadcopter with 4K camera, S-Flight Mode, Super Wide, 150-degree FOV, HD Low Latency Transmission, Emergency Brake, and Hover. Number 2. DJI Mavic Air 2. DJI Mavic Air 2 stay in the air long enough to get the perfect capture with an impressive battery life of up to 34 minutes and pull off epic, fast-paced shots with a max flight speed of 42.3 mph in sport mode. Number 3. Autel Robotics Evo Light Plus. Autel Robotics Evo Light Plus. The maximum range on the Light Plus is 7.4 miles, 12 km, and its control feed can transmit at a bitrate of 90 Mbps. It maintains a clear signal with a tri-frequency operating system, 2.400, 2.4835 GHz, 5.725, 5.850 GHz, and 5.250, 5.255, letting it maintain a clear signal even in high-interference environments. Number 4. Skydio 2. Skydio 2, an intelligent flying robot. Utilizing 45 megapixels of visual data from 6 200-degree color cameras, Skydio 2 Plus can see in every direction with unprecedented resolution and clarity. This is the foundation of trustworthy autonomous flight. Number 5. Walkera F210. Walkera F210 version, Devo 7, right-hand throttle. Includes Devo 7 transmitter and aircraft battery. The racer body is made of carbon fiber materials, plus a protective cover motor design, all makes the F210 solid and anti-crash, and its flight speed comparable to F1 racing.